Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Holden Captiva LTZ 7-seater. Stock reference number 5135. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has a Z22 D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. Z22 D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front factory 19-inch alloy mag with a good tyre, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, a pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mags with a good tyre. Unfortunately nothing on the rear end survived the accident. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one small dent, right side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, electric handbrake type, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder and sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.